Hi folks, my name is Paul. I'm with Guarantee RV out here in Junction City, Oregon. And today we're going to be looking at this Sundance 242. It's a rear kitchen model. I'm really excited to show it to you. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. I think you're going to love it. Well, stepping into the unit here, the first thing you're going to notice is the awesome rear kitchen setup. You got everything enclosed in the back of the unit, out of the way, so when people are moving through, you're not going to have anybody bumping into you while you're cooking, which is fantastic. You've got a huge pantry by the entrance door in the rear here, by the rear entrance door, which is you can put all your food in. Any extra storage that you need is in there as well. I think you're probably going to have a hard time filling it, to be honest with you, because there's so much space in there. Now, looking directly at the kitchen, you've got this awesome solid surface countertop. It is foil wrapped. You've got the microwave and hood combo with the 3-burner stove and an oven with the fuse box right below it there. You can see lots of storage, so you can put all your utensils, any snacks, all that good stuff underneath the sink, out of the way, no problem whatsoever. Storage up above, that's going to give you places for your pots, pans, dishes, and all that good stuff. And then you've got your AC unit right back here as well, which is really great because it's flush out of the way, so taller gentlemen or ladies aren't going to have an issue running into it, hitting their heads on anything. You do have this crowned roof. Gives you a ton of space in here, makes it really great for moving around, and is going to help you a ton with water runoff. It's going to get off of the unit much easier. You're not going to get pooling, and it's just going to give you an all-around better built unit. The fridge is over here next to the couch, nice and out of the way. It is an 8 cubic foot gas electric refrigerator, which is awesome with the freezer on top. Storage above the couch, and the couch is going to fold all the way out as a jackknife and give you that full-size sleeping space for if you have, teenagers, adult children, or just friends that are going to be traveling with you. They can have their own little living space back here, and you guys can have your privacy in the bedroom area. Looking at the dinette here, you've got storage underneath, which is the full length of the seats, and you've got the awesome televator system, which is basically just that little piece on the single piece up along that dinette. And the TV raises up and down, nice and out of the way, really convenient, and it's kind of fun to just put it up and down. And then going into the bathroom, you have a huge shower. You've got a skylight in there as well, so it gives you a little bit more headspace if you are taller. You also have a nice amount of space there on the sink. Toilet's got plenty of room around it, and a little mirror, of course. Going into the bedroom here, you're going to have a queen-size bed. It is a full walk-around with 2 power outlets on either end for tablets, phones, all that good stuff. Overhead storage, hanging storage for all of your clothes. Keeps out of the way, frees up some other space in the trailer as well. And of course, there is full pass-through storage that goes underneath the bed here as well. And that pass-through storage, I can't overemphasize how much space there is. It's a really great size. You can fit all your extra stuff in there, and this trailer has a huge carrying capacity at about 2,000 pounds, which most people aren't even going to fill up that close. So you've got more than enough options of things that you can do with this trailer. Really convenient, great floor plan. All right, folks, well, thank you so much for taking the time to take a look at this with me. If you have a question on this unit or any other we have on the lot, or just want to come out here to take a look, don't hesitate to give me a call. My name's Paul Williams, and my phone number is 541-510-3584. Thank you so much. I hope you have a great day.